So let's do 3 more area formulas. The first one is parallelogram. It's a lot like a rectangle. We do have parallel sides here, and we are going to use the base in the formula. It's base times height. The one key thing is the height of the parallelogram is the perpendicular distance between the two sides. So we're not actually using the side, we're using the height here. So you have to kind of be careful. Let's look at one. Find the area of this parallelogram. So the base is 8, okay, the height is 4. So we're going to do 8 centimeters times 4 centimeters and get 32 square centimeters, or centimeters squared. Let's look at another one. Let's look at a triangle. Triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. Now the height is perpendicular again, just like the parallelogram, okay? Base is the bottom, so let's look at this one. Find the area of this triangle, okay? We need 1/2 times the base is 16, so we're using this number, and the height, the perpendicular height is 10. So we don't need these other two numbers. Be careful, they're going to give you stuff you don't need. You got to pick out what you need. So I'm going to do 1/2 times 16 meters on bottom times a height of 10 meters, and when I multiply that out, that is going to get me 80 square meters, or meters squared. One more figure we're going to look at is the trapezoid. So a trapezoid has 2 parallel lines, okay? You're cut by transversal here. We have these other 2 sides. Let's see what we need to find area. We are going to do 1/2 the height times A plus B added together. Now A and B are your top side and your bottom side, the parallel sides. So if this parallelogram is shifted, you got to look for the parallel sides to find your A and B. It might not be sitting this exact way each time. The height is your perpendicular height again. So let's try one. Find the area of the trapezoid. Okay, so we're going to need, this is my A, this is my B, this is my height. Okay, so I'm going to do 1/2 times the height, and then I'm going to add in parentheses these 2 bases together, the A plus B. You want to add that first and get 78, okay? Parentheses first, and then do 1/2 times 13 times 78, and you do end up with 507 square feet.